Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Now we need to type this command and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c:/ and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command carefully. Type in md space backup and simply hit enter to execute it. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup1 and hit enter. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd space c:/. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space c:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Type cd space c:/ and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c:/ \boot \bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c:/ \boot \bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Now type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.